Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. We have started our new unit, All About Me. So, continuing our new unit, we will start new chapter How Our Body Works. We will came to know about the functions of our body. So, let's start. Our body is a wonderful machine. Our body has many parts. Each part of our body has some work. They are called organs. When these parts of our body perform a specific function, they are called organs. We have two types of organ, external organs and internal organs. So here it is our first organ, external organs. We have discussed about external organs in the previous classes also. So you know we have one head, a neck, we have two hands to write, we have two legs to move, we have two eyes to see, we have two ears to hear. We have so many external body parts. We can see these body parts from outside. We can see two eyes, okay? So, continuing our chapter, here we will move to our next organ, internal organs. So, parts that are inside our body are called internal organs. They are present inside our body. Inside our body. We cannot see these organs from outside. So, main internal organs are as below. Here, first internal organ is heart, brain, stomach. Okay, so what are the main internal organs? Brain, heart, lungs, stomach. We will discuss about all these internal organs in detail also. Here it is our first internal organ, brain. It is a very important part of our body. It helps us to think and understand. It also controls all the body parts and organs. We will able to do many maths problems. We will able to learn many things, and we do many works because of our brain. Okay, we solve many puzzles, many maths problems, all this because of brain. The brain is present inside our skull. Okay, so moving to next internal organ, it is heart. It is a small pump made of muscles. What is the function of pump? It pump the blood in our body. So it pump the blood and oxygen to our body. What happens if the heart stops working? When the heart stops working, we cannot get blood, and when then we will die. Okay, so next internal organ is stomach. What is the function of a stomach? The stomach help to digest the food we eat. The food we eat from our mouth, and then the food passes from mouth to stomach through the pipe. This is called food pipe, and here it is our stomach. And all the energy we get to do work, all those because of food we eat. Okay, here you can see the food we eat is digested into, it is converted into small parts. Okay, next internal organ, lungs. They help in breathing the oxygen. We breathe the air through our nose, and then the air passes through pipe called windpipe to the two lungs. Here two lungs are present inside our chest. So the shape of the lungs are balloon like shape. They have balloon like shape. Next, bones and muscles. Here bones give shape and support to our body. We are able to sit or stand straight. All this because of these bones. They provide us shape and support. So, and bones also protect organs from getting damaged. They also protect our internal organs from getting damaged. And muscles and bones together help us to move. We are able to do many work because of muscles and bones. We are able to write, run, move. All these are because of bones and muscles. So, we have discussed about the functioning of our internal organs. So, we should take care of our body. Body needs food and water. It also needs some exercise to keep fit. Our body needs some rest after work. All parts of our body work well when we take proper care of them. Okay, thank you.